Good morning, students. Welcome to the GK class. Hope all of you are well and hope all of you are revising your previous chapters also. And if not, then keep revising your previous work also. Okay, in the previous video, we have learned about transport, helpful gadgets, and machines. Today, we are going to study chapter 17, our solar system. So, before we start the chapter, do you know what is the solar system? I will tell you. Students, the sun is the biggest heavenly body we see in the sky. It is a big ball of fire and many gases. It gives us heat and light. Do you know the sun is actually a star? Now you must be thinking, how can sun be a star? Stars are so small and sun is so big. The stars we see at the night, it seems so small. है ना? आप यही सोच रहे होगे कि stars तो बहुत small होते हैं and sun is so big. Then how can sun be a star? I will explain you. Sun is a star, but it is much closer to us than the other stars. Hence, it looks bigger to us than other stars. Sun अर्थ के बहुत पास है. मीन्स बाकी जो स्टार्स हैं उनके कंपैरिजन में सन अर्थ के बहुत पास है. इसलिए सन कैसा दिखता है? बहुत बिग दिखता है. और बाकी स्टार्स जो हैं, दोज स्टार्स आर वेरी फार फ्रॉम द अर्थ. दैट्स वाई इट सीम्स small. Okay, students, many heavenly bodies revolve around the sun. They are called planets. बहुत सारी heavenly bodies होती हैं जो sun के चारों तरफ revolve करती हैं. उन heavenly bodies को हम planets बोलते हैं. So, sun, planets and their moons together are called solar system. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Or we can say a solar system is the family of sun and all the planets and other objects that orbit the sun. Just like all of us have a head in our family, जैसे हमारी फैमिली में हेड होते हैं, वैसे ही सोलर फैमिली का हेड कौन है? सन. और वो सारे प्लैनेट्स जो हैं, दे आर जस्ट लाइक फैमिली मेम्बर्स. एज वी हैव फैमिली मेम्बर्स, जस्ट लाइक दैट द सन इज़ द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली एंड प्लैनेट्स आर इट्स फैमिली मेम्बर्स. सो अ सोलर सिस्टम is the family of sun and all the planets and other objects that orbit the sun. Students, let's watch a video so that it will be more clear to you that what is orbit and how do these planets revolve around the sun. Okay? Here we can see the sun. It is a source of heat and light. Sun is a star, as I told you earlier. It seems so big because it is much closer to Earth than the other stars. That's why it seems so big. Here students see planets are revolving around the sun. Just like this, planets revolve around the sun. In the center there is sun and planets are revolving around it. So sun is the head of the family, solar family, and planets are its family members. Students, see there are some rings around the sun. ये पर्टिकुलर प्लैनेट्स जो हैं, ये जो रिंग्स दिख रहे हैं, ये इसी पर रिवॉल्व करते हैं और इन रिंग्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑर्बिट. सी कोई भी प्लैनेट अपने रिंग से बाहर नहीं जा रहा. मीन्स जो जिस रिंग पर है वहीं पर रिवॉल्व कर रहा है. इस फिक्स्ड पाथ को हम, इस रिंग को हम क्या बोलते हैं? ऑर्बिट. स्टूडेंट्स, the heavenly body that revolves around the earth is called moon or the natural satellite of earth. हमने देखा कि यहाँ पर मून जो है कैसे अर्थ के चारों तरफ रिवॉल्व कर रहा है. तो इस हेवनली बॉडी को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मून. और ये क्या होती है? इट इज़ ना नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑफ अर्थ. स्टूडेंट्स, hope from the video you must have understood well. As I told you that there are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. Let's learn their names in order of their position from the sun. Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the sun, so it is closest to the sun. It is also the smallest planet in the solar system. Second is Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. It is the brightest and the hottest planet. Third is Earth. Earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the planet we live on, and it's a unique planet as it has life on it. And it is also called the blue planet. Why? Because 1/3 surface of the earth is covered with water. Earth sun से थर्ड प्लानट है, मीन्स इट इज़ ऑन थर्ड नंबर. अर्थ वो प्लानट है जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं, और अर्थ को हम ब्लू प्लानट भी बोलते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि 1/3 सरफेस जो अर्थ का 1/3 सरफेस है वो वाटर से कवर है. मार्स. मार्स इज़ द फोर्थ प्लानट फ्रॉम द सन. इट्स अ रॉकी प्लानट. इट लुक्स रेड, सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द रेड प्लानट. मार्स को हम रेड प्लानट भी बोलते हैं. क्यों? Because it looks red. Fifth is Jupiter. It is the fifth planet from the sun. It is the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter solar system में largest planet है. Sixth is Saturn. It is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the second biggest after Jupiter. It has bright colored rings around it. Here we can see that there are colored bright rings around it. Seventh is Uranus. It is the seventh planet. It is very cold as it is very far from the sun. It also has rings around it. Uranus कैसा है? बहुत ही कोल्ड प्लैनेट है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये सन से बहुत दूर है और इसकी चारों तरफ भी रिंग्स होते हैं. Eighth is Neptune. It is the 8th planet from the sun, so it is the farthest and coldest planet. ये सन से बहुत दूर है, इसीलिए हम इसको farthest planet और coldest planet भी बोलते हैं. Okay? Students, now we will do our book exercise, chapter 17, our solar system. The sun and its planets make the solar system. As I told you, sun और इसके planets मिलकर solar system बनाते हैं. There are 8 planets in our solar system. हमारे solar system में 8 planets होते हैं. Write names of the planets in the given box. Take help from the help box. What we have to do is we have to write the name of the planets. The boxes are given. Here we can see boxes are given. We have to write the names of the planets, and at the bottom help box is also given. You can see the spelling from the help box also. Okay, now start the book exercise. As I told you, the first planet is Mercury. Mercury. And the second is Venus. Venus. Third is Earth. Earth. The fourth is Mars. Mars. Fifth is Jupiter. Jupiter. Sixth is Saturn. Saturn. Seventh is Uranus. Uranus. And the eighth is Neptune. Neptune. Okay, if you have any problem with the spelling, take help from the help box. Okay, here some points are also given. Do you know sun is a star also? As I told you earlier, that sun is a star also. It is much closer to earth, that's why it seems big. Stars have their own lights. Stars की खुद की लाइट होती है, मीन्स उनके पास उनकी खुद की लाइट होती है. The third is the moon is a natural satellite of the earth. moon क्या है? earth की natural satellite. Students, hope you have understood the chapter well. Now learn the spellings yourself, and if you have any problem with the spellings, take help from the help box. Okay, do it in your book and yourself. Okay, students, now we will study unit 3, our country, हमारा देश, chapter 18, our famous Indian leaders, हमारे प्रसिद्ध भारतीय नेता. Recognize the famous national leaders given below. यहाँ पे pictures given है बेटा. Here 6 pictures are given and we have to recognize the picture. Write their names. Take help from the help box. उनके नाम लिखने हैं और help box से हम help ले सकते हैं. At the bottom help box is given and names are given in the help box. Okay. The first picture is of India's first Prime Minister. Hope you can recognize this picture. Yes, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. Students, Pandit is abbreviated as P.T. Means जैसे हम किसी वर्ड को शॉर्टकट में लिखते हैं वैसे ही पंडित को हम P.T. लिखते हैं. ओके, एंड विद लव वी कॉल हिम चाचा नेहरू. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ सेकेंड पिक्चर, इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. ही वॉज द इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज अ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक in the name of Dr. Rajendra Prasad in the help box. Okay, so you have to write Dr. Okay, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Just like PT denotes Pandit, same as doctor is denoted by Dr. जैसे हम पंडित को शॉर्टकट में PT लिखते हैं वैसे ही डॉक्टर को हम क्या लिखते हैं? Dr. Okay. The third picture is of this is so easy. Hope all of you can recognize it. The father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He is the father of the nation and with love we call him Bapu. Spelling is Mahatmagandhi. Okay. Fourth picture, a great freedom fighter, Subhash Chandra Bose. He was a brave and a great freedom fighter. Spelling of his name is Subhashchandra Subhash Chandra Bose. Fifth picture is of Queen of Jhansi. Queen of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was an Indian queen and a warrior. She is popularly known as Jhansi ki Rani. Spelling of her name is RANILAKSHMIBAI, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Sixth and the last picture is India's first woman Prime Minister, Indira Gandhi. Don't get confused with India's first Prime Minister and India's first woman Prime Minister. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर कौन थे? पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. और इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट वुमन प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी इंदिरा गांधी. ओके, जो भारतीय मीन्स पहली भारतीय महिला प्रधानमंत्री. वुमन प्राइम मिनिस्टर होंगी इंदिरा गांधी एंड फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. ओके, सो इंदिरा गांधी वॉज द इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट वुमन प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड इंदिरा गांधी वॉज द डॉटर ऑफ जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड शी इज़ नोन एज द Iron Lady of India. Okay, here some points are also given. Do you know क्या आप जानते हैं राजीव गांधी वॉज द यंगेस्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया? राजीव गांधी यंगेस्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे, इंडिया के सबसे यंगेस्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे। सेकेंड इज सुभाष चंद्र बोस वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी। सुभाष चंद्र बोस इंडियन नेशनल आर्मी के फाउंडर थे। ओके, होप all of you have understood both of the chapters well. Till then, learn the spellings and keep revising your work. Okay, do it in your book. Till then, take care. Bye bye.